Okay, this is how to install the 80-column preview for Speedscript on the Commodore 64. So first attach the May 1987 Computes Gazette disk to device 8, and then type load Speedscript, 8. And when that's done, we're going to attach the December 1987 Computes Gazette disk to drive 8. And then type load instant 80, 8, 1. When that's done, we're going to combine the programs by typing poke 2062, 0, colon, poke 2063, 37. Okay, at the ready prompt, we're going to save the new program. So type save, and in quotes, Speedscript /80. Comma 8. Okay, when that's done, we're going to load Speedscript /80 and make sure our program is good. Okay, when it loads in, then you just type run. Okay, Speedscript 3.2 is running. I've typed in test for the 80-column preview, Shift Control P, and then enter S to print to the screen. And your pages will scroll on the 80-column preview, so I'm going to add some more text. So Shift Control P, then enter S for screen, and there's our 80-column preview. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.